Fellow Zimbabweans, I want you to listen to this very, very, very carefully. It's something very important. If we are serious about Zimbabwe, let us take a look onto this. Then, let's make informed decisions come 2023 elections.
When you see Zimbabweans with 90% unemployment, when you see Eritreans, when you see all the Sudanese or the Malians or the Gambians going to Europe and America, it is not because they like it. If there were conditions that were suitable in Africa, they would struggle at home. Yes. But when you hear a young person say, he'd rather die at sea than to remain at home, that is not human. The human nature is self-preservation. When a human being says that, there must be something so grave at home, something so dehumanizing. That is what African leaders sometimes do not know. When I see them in limousines and in private jets, with motorcades, I say, these men, not all of them, these men, who are they? Where did they come from? That they are so insensitive, that they go to countries and receive 21 gun salutes, and their people are dying at home. Who are they? Are their hearts made of stone? Do they have eyes and they do not see, ears and they do not hear? Are their consciences so seared? I ask. And many Africans ask even in their silence. But we cannot keep quiet.
Sakuno ku Zimbabwe ndokwateti chinzi birwaye makanyarara chete, birwaye musingataure, musakomblena, musaita sei. Kana mukakomblena munovharwa mumatorongo, mukakomblena munorohwa, mukakomblena munoitwa yese yekedero. It's not it. So, Team Zimbabwe, we have elections this year. This is an examination which we have. You are going to decide to put a correct answer or a wrong answer. ZANU-PF has proved to be the wrong answer to this question of how can we develop Zimbabwe? How can we end poverty in Zimbabwe? How can we end inequality in Zimbabwe? ZANU-PF is not the answer. So if ZANU-PF is not the answer and we have a correct answer and a wrong answer, what does that mean? It means Citizens Coalition for Change is the answer to these problems. Why? They have policies. Why? They have competent people. Why? They have to introduce a new system of governance which is not relied on, which does not rely on corruption, on individuals, on looting and thieving. This government ukatasa zviri kutana bona izvo zvese zviri kubuda zvana bona zvana chombo zvanani, it's a sign of stealing, sign of looting. Chete hapana zvimwe. Let us register to vote and make sure that we vote out these people.